In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change time for Google Chrome vertical bar. How to change time for Google Chrome Windows 10. Google Chrome does not have an internal clock. Instead, it automatically pulls the date, time, and time zone directly from your computer or device. To begin, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and find the clock and date area on the Windows taskbar. This is the section that shows your current time and date. Right-click on that clock and date widget to open a small menu with more options. From that menu, select Adjust Date and Time. This is the main place to use whenever your clock is incorrect, your time zone is wrong, or a browser like Google Chrome is showing the wrong time. Once you are on this page, take a moment to review the settings carefully. In many cases, Windows may already be set to update the time automatically. If that option is enabled and the time is still incorrect, it may help to check that your time zone is correct as well. After making any necessary changes, close the settings window and return to Google Chrome. The browser should now display the correct time wherever time-based information appears, such as websites, secure login pages, and timestamps. If Chrome was open while you made the change, you can also refresh the page or restart the browser to make sure everything updates properly. That covers everything you need to know.